Because there are so many things that are similar and different between our system and the American system, we'll divide this video into 3 parts. The first part will deal with people that are part of the court process and that are in court. The second one will deal with documents and procedures. And then the third one will deal with the most common aspect of crimes, the different names that we use for the same concepts or different concepts. The other common terms which you would come across in American shows and TV is misdemeanors and felonies. Misdemeanors are minor offenses, felonies are major offenses. In South Africa, we don't use the same terms, but we do have schedules that have more or less the same effect. Offenses for which you can get police bail or prosecutor bail before your first appearance in court could be the same as misdemeanors in the USA, whereas offenses for which you do need to go to court in order to get bail, such as Schedule 5, very serious offenses, Schedule 6, very, very serious offenses that you can only get bail for in court. When you're dealing with Schedule 5 offenses, it's not sufficient simply to appear in court and tell them your story. A formal bail application would be necessary. When we're dealing with Schedule 6 offenses, Zakhala, these are offenses in which you need to demonstrate to the court that there are exceptional circumstances which require your release. Those are the major differences between misdemeanors, felonies, minor offenses, and serious offenses. In the USA, you'd hear terms such as murder 1, capital murder, manslaughter. These are all concepts which we have in South Africa, despite using different names. Murder 1 would be premeditated murder in South Africa. Capital murder is the same as premeditated murder. The only difference is that capital murder in the USA is a type of murder that carries capital punishment, meaning the death penalty. In South Africa, we don't have the death penalty, thank God. That's why we just have murder. Manslaughter, exactly the same as culpable homicide. The difference is that murder is the intentional killing of a human being, whereas manslaughter and culpable homicide will be the negligent killing of a human being.